The beginning of the celebration begins here. And it's a great honor for all of us to welcome our very gorgeous, supremely talented superstar, Miss Amisha Patel. We'll wait for the next few minutes for her media bite before we officially begin with the event. Thank you very much to everyone who's assembled here, ladies and gentlemen. A wholehearted welcome.
Thank you.
Women out there.
Right. So, on this special occasion, it's a woman for award for women. Tell us something about this show and how exciting.
Well, whenever there's a celebration of women, I'm very, very happy. So it's an honor being someone, a woman who believes in women going out there into the big bad world of so-called men, as they say, and achieving and becoming iconic, creating a footpath and footsteps for other women to follow, and breaking out of their niche, and actually being pioneers in their respective fields to carve the path for so many other aspiring women and young girls. So it feels very, very good for me to be here and to award these really, really fantastic, supremely achieved women today. Yes, yes, yes.
How was it?
It was fabulous because it was such a good cause. International Women's Day is such a close cause to me, and I think it should be to every self-respecting woman in the world. And when people ask me to attend such prolific, nice events, especially the Delhi event was conducted by a very, very prestigious hospital, and they were also spreading the awareness about the coronavirus, the do's, the don'ts, what to fear, what not to fear. So they had combined two very, very important issues, and today being International Women's Day, I think it's fantastic. And I always say, I don't think we women need just one day to celebrate us. I think every day is a celebration of our achievements, be it a mother, daughter, sister, wife, child. I think a woman in every role is just fabulous.
Well, Holi is also on its way and people are scared to celebrate Holi because of Corona. What's your plan for this?
See, for me, I don't normally celebrate Holi anyway because I feel that a lot of the colors are mixed and they blind you, and a lot of women are touched in the wrong places, and people use this as an excuse to misbehave a lot of times. They're busy drunk on bhang and things like that. And I've had a lot of these experiences, not on myself but with friends who say that they really went through a lot of bad moments where men have misbehaved. So it tends to get a little riotous. Then you also have people who use it as an excuse to throw dirty things on you. Sometimes it's just vindictive for no rhyme or reason, whether it's eggs or mud or you don't know what's mixed in it. So people have actually lost the celebration. They are more into the the nastiness of it everywhere, rather than feeling, yes, it's the arrival of spring, it's the end of winter, it's the time to really enjoy and bring in the harvest season. And India is such a colorful country. Rather than enjoying the essence of the celebration, what they've got to do is they've gone to the negative aspects. They've made it a very scary festival, which it is not. It's a beautiful festival and it should be celebrated in its beauty.
We have always seen you getting towards the fitness, but this time it's something special. Are you preparing for something?
No, I love being fit, and I think once you reach a certain level, you have to just elevate. So that's all that's happening. I fight myself. I'm my own competition. So every time I, get to a certain standard, me and my trainer are like, okay, now we have to outdo what we did last time. So it's purely for myself.
Anything upcoming from your side?
Yes, couple of things, as you've been seeing on my Instagram posts, and couple of more exciting announcements. So yes, it's been a nice start to 2020, and I look forward to a lovely, lovely year.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Media bite. Women
are strong. But when we speak about that strength, we are speaking about their inner strength. That inner strength brings a lot of courage, a lot of strength, and a lot of dignity to any work they do. It doesn't matter whether she's a housewife or a career woman. At the same time, I will say that though the woman is applauded many a times, everywhere, and gifted, there are moments in life that if a strong woman puts a step out into the world, she is not that respected. She is pushed back because of environment, family, responsibility, and constantly reminded what she should not do, instead of being told to what she is capable of doing. And a lot of people also fear strong women. Association of any strong women. Don't you feel?
Much to Brahma Changi, and we'd like to felicitate him. And can we all put our hands together as we invite our guest of honor, Mr. Ajay Chaudhary, please. Founder of Bharat Seva Sadan. Sir, हमें आपको बुलाना था तो इसलिए हमने आपसे कहा कि we like to felicitate you and for you to take your seat. Sir, मैं जरूर चाहूँगी कि आप दो शब्द I'd like to hear a few words from you, please.
I'm very nervous right now because तो मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ and very much है सब लड़की जो ड्रीम करती है and वो सक्सेसफुल and कभी गिव नहीं करती तो वो हम लोग के लिए ही अवार्ड
Rose, thank you. सर सरोज मैम तो अब हमें इंस्पायर और भी ज़्यादा करेंगे और इनका अवार्ड तो कुछ टाइम बाद हम देंगे. ऑफ कोर्स हम सभी को बुलाएंगे यहाँ पर, लेकिन लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन हमारे साथ यस मैम वो आपके पास. मैम यू ट्रूली हैव अ हार्ट ऑफ गोल्ड. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड द फैक्ट दैट शेकिंग अ लेग सिर्फ एक ही नाम होता है. टू मेक anyone from a star to a superstar जिनका हाथ होता है. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please give a loud round of applause. May we please give it to role legend, Miss Saroj Khan. Here are the iconic Woman of the Year Awards 2020. Decades, 4 decades in the Bollywood industry. दोस्तों, मैम आपसे हम सुनना चाहेंगे. मैम दो शब्द, मतलब आप जब बात करते तो मैं भी वहाँ आप तक ही रह जाती हूँ आपको देखते हुए. प्लीज आपसे दो शब्द. पहले तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आने के लिए. एंड यू लुकिंग एब्सोल्युटली लवली इन पिंक. थैंक यू सो मच डियर मैम.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My throat is not okay. My knee is fractured, so I'm in pain also. So I can only say thank you very much that they have selected me for Women's Award. I don't know whether I deserve it or no, but I'm really, thank you, Amisha. Thank you, ma'am.
Sarojji is the most iconic. I think all of us wanted to be her and dance like her. From making the life of Sridevi to Madhuri Dixit, we all owe the best moves to Sarojji. And the maximum डांट हम लोग ने जो इंडस्ट्री में खाई है वो भी सरोजी से भी खाई है. And she's had such an influence on cinema.
मार भी खाई है.
But only for the betterment. And now her son as well, Raju Khan, is such a brilliant choreographer. I've had the pleasure of working with both of them and given some of my biggest hits with them. So this is really a really beautiful woman. Like they say, you know, salute and support a strong woman. Don't be intimidated by her.
I think every platform that celebrates women should be cherished, and I think it's not just today, but every day should be called a Women's Day. And I think they are the pillar of strength, and all of them are growing with such grace and so much power to them. So yeah, great happy Women's Day to all of them. Well, I think so. I'm very lucky and blessed. My husband, brother, father, son
They celebrate us every day, so it's not going to be one particular day. But yeah, it's been a great experience, and it's a great day for people to celebrate us. So thank you.
What really took you from one level to the other? Ma'am, Aapki story is unbelievable. How did you do it? You're the first woman in our country, you know, and to really make it possible. And I will not say, I would always say that it's differently able. So please tell us more about this. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं आप सभी लोगों से request करना चाहूँगी. Thank you for the music. You know, this room is very small and it's hard to with lots of gratitude. I'd like to request you all to kindly be very soft because you know this room is small but it has a lot of strength and lots of love. So please let us applause for our award. I request you for a few words, please.
Good evening, everyone. At the very outset, PSG, thank you so much for inviting me here and giving me this award. The iconic woman of the year.
Get to be what I get to be. So thank you.
Thanks to you, they also get to be what they're going to get to be.
Yes, but they do celebrate us every day. So lucky, very lucky to be part of a family like that. Thank you so much, Piyush and the entire team for honoring us with this.
Please, I'm sorry for this.
Thank you, thank you. Firstly, wishing everyone a very, very happy Women's Day. I think it's a great event, honoring all the amazing women who've contributed in their own ways in different fields. And I think, being a part of this is extremely, I feel really privileged. And I'm really excited. I think this year marks my debut in Bollywood. So for me, it anyway is a great year to start off with. And getting this award today on such a special day like Women's Day, I think it means a lot. And yeah, more power to all the women out there, and yeah, just celebrate every day like it's yours, and yeah, just do what you like and what you love, and just conquer the world. That's all I can say.
Decision that we take, we the women genuinely do society.
So I made my debut with Bhangra Pale in Jan by RSVP. So yeah, so for me it's a really exciting and really special year. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to the year ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Even a man needs a woman.
Our legend, Saroj Khan, presenting the award to our very lovely Miss Amisha Patel. Our iconic Woman of the Year Award 2020 goes to Miss Amisha Patel. Amisha, time for us to welcome our legend, Gajendra Singh Ji. Well, he's ruled the screen for years together, decades of experience, and उनसे ज़्यादा कौन कह सकता है इस मौके पर when he's giving an opportunity, he's given an opportunity to so many females and really had them made from a simple girl to a star. May we please give it up for our legend, Shri Gajendra Singh Ji, please.
कितने और लोग आएंगे, कितने और लोग आएंगे, और हम कार्यरत हैं इस क्षेत्र में अपने टैलेंट को अपने लोगों को आगे ला करके प्रस्तुत करने के लिए. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Seema Jain. Thank you so much, Aunty. हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं क्लाइंट केयर के लिए, क्योंकि लोगों को जो माइंड के लिए कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रही है, हम उसमें काम कर रहे हैं. हम गाँव में जा रहे हैं, राजस्थान में हम गए, वहाँ पर हमने देखा लोग बहुत प्रॉब्लम में है, और मैं थोड़ी सी माइंड में भी बहुत सारे काम कर रहे हैं, तो हम स्टार्ट किया है. थैंक यू.
Hello.
Thank you so much. Happy
Women's Day.
Ladies and gentlemen, hello to all our beautiful people
एक
who
मिनट,
are
हाँ।
present here
इनकी
at
बहुत-
the iconic Woman of the Year Award. At first, please allow me to thank each and every one
ऑफ कोर्स वुमेंस डे है, सो वुमेंस डे पर आइकॉनिक वुमेन अवार्ड हो रहा है। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार, बिकॉज़ वुमेन को हर फील्ड में उन्हें प्रोत्साहित किया जा रहा है, उन्हें अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है, सो इट इज़ गुड, यू नो, यू फील रियली नाइस।
must also take a mention of all you beautiful, dynamic, magnificent girls and ladies, these achievers in your endeavors. And I truly thank and congratulate all the men who are here with us to support these beautiful girls, these beautiful ladies.
I
and
think,
really push them ahead to
यू नो
really
फॉर
turn
मी
their vision into a reality.
आई थिंक
So
मेरी
thank
सबसे
you,
बड़ी
every one of
अचीवमेंट
you.
ये रही है कि मैं इस फील्ड में आई हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम फ्रॉम यू नो वेरी ऑर्थोडॉक्स फैमिली, सो कमिंग टू एक्टिंग ऑल्सो इज़ अ वेरी बिग डील। सो मेरे लिए ये बहुत बड़ी बात है दैट आई एम हियर, आई एम वर्किंग एंड इट्स अ बिग अचीवमेंट फॉर मी। एंड ऑफ कोर्स जब लोग आपके काम को अप्रिशिएट करते हैं तो और ज़्यादा खुशी होती है। इट्स अ प्राउड मोमेंट एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक जो अप्रिसिएशन आपकी फैमिली से आपको मिलते हैं वो बेस्ट होता है। यू नो, यू फील गुड बिकॉज आप उनकी खुशी के लिए सब कुछ करना चाहते हो। सो आई थिंक आई फील नाइस।
And as she's just come out of her rose, the golden rose for this beautiful fresh face. Ladies and
Well,
gentlemen, and the
ये मेरा पहला रियलिटी शो है और
iconic fresh face.
यू नो योर डेब्यू इन रियलिटी कमिंग फ्रॉम खतरों के खिलाड़ी, इट वाज अ बिग डील फॉर मी। मुझे नहीं पता था क्या फेयर्स होंगे, क्या फेस करना होगा, बट वहाँ जाके जो जो चीज़ें मैंने फेस की है, आई हैव सरप्राइज्ड माई सेल्फ एंड आई हैव ऑफ कोर्स सरप्राइज माई फैमिली ऑल्सो, बिकॉज क्रीपी क्रॉलीज, हाइट्स, पानी, हर चीज़ से आपको उसे फेस करना पड़ता है। आई थिंक इट वॉज अ लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी एंड आई थिंक इट वॉज अ गुड डिसीजन दैट मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया उसमें।
Get into the body fraternity and जिनको हम बचपन से देखते थे, डर लगता है, you know, be one with them on the same.
I would say that most of the tasks जो भी मैंने किए हैं it's because of Rohit sir's support. He is very motivating और वो कभी नहीं चाहेंगे कि आप कोई भी टास्क आधे में छोड़ो. So he would want you to complete and he really motivates. So मैं कहूँगी he's a tough taskmaster, yes, but he's very friendly and he is very supportive. देखो खतरों के खिलाड़ी करने के लिए आपको गट्स चाहिए, लेकिन बिग बॉस करने के लिए आपको उससे भी ज़्यादा गट्स चाहिए। वो गट्स अभी फ़िलहाल मुझ में नहीं है, जब होगा, जब हिम्मत होगी मुझ में एज मैं बिग बॉस कर सकती हूँ, सो प्रॉबली आई विल डू इट। बट एज ऑफ नाउ आई थिंक मेरी पर्सनैलिटी आई एम अ वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट एंड शाय पर्सन, सो आई डोंट नो इफ़ आई वुड बी एबल टू जेल विद एवरी वन इन द हाउस, सो या। देखो हर साल मैं होली एकदम धमाके से करती हूँ फ्रेंड्स के साथ, फैमिली के साथ। इस साल मे बी आई वोंट सेलिब्रेटेड इतना धूमधाम से, ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज ऑफ द कोरोना वायरस। पीपल से दैट यू बी सेफ, सो आई थिंक घर पे ही रहूँगी फैमिली के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ एंड उनके साथ मनाऊँगी। आप सभी दर्शकों को मेरी तरफ से अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी होली। थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
Hold the award. We'll be dancing and doing some step. Which song would you like to dance? And Saroj, and is anyone else? Please feel free to join us. Come on, girls. Manjuji, if you'd like to join us on the dance. Okay. So, which song do you want to hear? Any song is good. So, she's so popular. You speak from your heart and from your confidence. So, other than so, जो भी आपका favorite song है, we dance it. Participants का भी record है. So, you have no idea.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैप्पी इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे टू एवरीबॉडी। सेकेंडली ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है वुमेंस डे पे वुमेन को फैसिलिटेट करना, who are an icon for the general public or the youth or whoever. I'm glad that I'm part of this and I feel privileged that I am chosen as an iconic woman of the year as well. बहुत ही अच्छा फील हो रहा है और आई नो कि मैं जो पर्सनालिटी हूँ वो ऑब्वियसली पीपल लुक अप टू, सो आई होप दैट आई कैन डू रियली गुड एंड मैं जो एग्जाम्पल सेट करूँ वो बहुत अच्छा हो. सो यस, एनर्जी के साथ एसोशिएट करते हैं. सो आई थिंक फेमिनिन एनर्जी वो ऐसी चीज़ है दैट शी कैन डू मैनी थिंग्स एट अ टाइम. शी इज़ सो मल्टी टैलेंटेड एंड the best part is she's emotionally, mentally, physically nahi, but yeah, in all other spheres she's a very strong person, a very strong human being. So I'm glad that I'm a woman first of all, and ये दिन हम एक साथ सेलिब्रेट करेंगे ताकि हम रियलाइज़ करें अपने स्ट्रेंथ को, अपने पोटेंशियल को और आगे बढ़ाते रहें. I think I'm going to stay home and also maybe invite close friends to my place and just chill. क्योंकि वैसे तो देखा जाए तो ऑर्गेनिक कलर्स, पानी बचाओ, ये हर एक चीज़, ये जो रूल्स है वो सबको फॉलो करना ही चाहिए. बट आई थिंक इस बार घर इंडोर्स ही रहे और घर के अंदर ही खोली खेले तो बेटर है. थैंक यू.
Sorry.
As far as writing is concerned, she's absolutely an ace poet, very natural. She can stand here and have a few lines on any simple subject. A philanthropist for all the social work she does under the brand of Lola Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, let us
Yeah, very happy Women's Day to you also. And मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ और काफ़ी अच्छा मौका है एक अवार्ड्स नाइट को अटेंड करने का और इतने सारी लेडीज़ वुमेन सेलिब्रेट की जा रही हैं आज, which is amazing. So I'm very happy to be a part of it and very excited to be here. नहीं, वो एक्चुअली हैप्पी कोरोना गाइज उसके वजह से डैडी ने जाने नहीं दिया. बट लेट्स सी, आई होप कि सब चीज़ ठीक हो जाए और हम जल्दी से जाकर देखें, बिकॉज अयान इज़ लाइक रियली अपसेट एंड ही इज़ लाइक कि नहीं मुझे तो जाना है, मुझे जाना है. ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड. लेट्स होप वी गेट टू गो इन द थिएटर एंड वॉच इट. नहीं, इस साल नहीं खेलेंगे बिकॉज़ आपने भी सुना होगा कि प्रिकॉशन लेने के तौर पे, ताकि कि और चीज़ें ना फैलें और चीज़ें ख़राब ना हो, उसके लिए प्रिकॉशन लेना है. इसके वजह से इस बार नहीं खेलेंगे. बहुत देर तक अयान को समझाया बट उसको भी समझ आ गया. सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर चिल्ड्रन टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये थोड़ा नाजुक माहौल चल रहा है इस वक्त पूरी दुनिया में, तो उस वजह से थोड़ा सा सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़ेगा. सो यस शेयर नहीं करना चाहूँगी, बस यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि चीज़ें आ रही हैं एंड मैं शेयर करती रहूँगी टाइम आने पर एंड यू ऑल बी वेरी हैप्पी. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. Same to you. Obviously, I'm too excited. I'm honored to be here and would like to say thank you to Mr. Jaiswal and team for the honor. And I wish all the ladies of this universe, entire universe, all the very best. Keep rocking. Yeah, thank you.
मेरे ससुर जी हमेशा कहा करते थे, ड्रेस में एड्रेस में Angel जितने शब्द हैं उतने कम हैं। कैसा लग रहा है at first 217 million views?
मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ एंड ये मेरे लिए नहीं है, ये सब वुमेन के लिए है जो छोटे छोटे सपने जो अभी अकॉम्प्लिश कर रहे हैं। सो वो उन लोग के लिए जो कभी गिव अप नहीं करते हैं। सो या मुझे पता नहीं कि मैं डिज़र्व करती हूँ कि नहीं, बट आई फील वेरी प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ कि कुछ तो किया होगा इसीलिए मिला है। सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी फॉर दैट। सो ये फर्स्ट टाइम मैं किसी मेकअप ब्रांड के साथ काम कर रही थी, वो भी इंटरनेशनल, एंड आई वॉज़ वेरी ऑनर्ड जब मुझे पहली बार उन लोग ने बोला था कि लॉस एंजलिस जाना है, इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करना है। सो मैं बहुत ही खुश थी एंड वहाँ पे जाके उन लोग ने पूरा प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बताया क्योंकि वो लोग लॉन्च कर रहे थे इंडिया में। एंड नाउ टू फेसेस हियर एंड दे आर रियली हैप्पी विथ माय कंटेंट एंड एवरीथिंग एंड बेस्ट मेमोरीज एंड एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी अमेजिंग। मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि प्लीज़ 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 गिव अप मत करो। लोग तो बोलते रहते हैं कि आपको थोड़ा डिस्करेज हो जाए थोड़ा, बट कभी किसी और की मत सुनना, सिर्फ पेरेंट्स की सुनो एंड जो भी आपके लिए बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं उनकी सुनो एंड कभी गिव अप मत करना। थैंक यू।
सभी लोग जो डांस के बारे में सोचते हैं पहले से यही सोचते हैं एक एंड आपने से 20 मिनट्स का मतलब 20 मिनट वो भी नाचकर प्लीज हमें दिखा दीजिए, हम लाइव देख रहे हैं। हाय आप इसे वो हाथ से क्योंकि वो इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं दिव्या। Come on ladies and gentlemen, check this out.
Same to you.
Live. You will never get to watch this, ladies and gentlemen. We're witnessing it absolutely live. That was so beautiful. Completely a perfectionist. Baby, please give it up.
I'm very excited. I don't think so we need a Women's Day to celebrate womanhood. I think every day is idle. Oh my God! Watch my face. But I think आज इस साल की Women's Day की थीम है कि an equal world is an enabled world. So I think we all should work towards an equality. हम सारी औरतों को भी सारे equal हक देने चाहिए. So that's about it. And getting an award, obviously, I'm very excited because I'm getting an award for Section, movie which is very close to my heart, and it speaks about women and how they stand for their justice and how they fight for themselves. So it is a very special day for me. About my beauty, मेरी मम्मी की देन है मेरे ख्याल से. Really, I think it's just I'm just blessed with good genes. That's about it. I just work out too much. Maybe that's the secret. Attire. I'm wearing a sari. My stylist must be knowing the designer. I don't know. I'm sorry. No, next is gonna be Kamatipura on Amazon. That's a web series on prostitution. again, it has a very strong message to send out. I hope I get a lot of awards after that also. So I think this year every work is I just want to get awards for all kind of work that I'm doing. Coronavirus. I'm not celebrating it too. I'm super scared of coronavirus. In fact, I've been telling people to be careful. In India, especially, people are taking it very carelessly. Coronavirus is not something we should take it carelessly. People are dying. I'm traveling to Lonavala on that day. So I am not celebrating Holi. I'm going to Lonavala for 1 day holiday. Thanks.
एक मिनट निकल जाए. To you too. Thank you.
एक बहुत ही आइकॉनिक मूवमेंट हमने अभी अभी देखा है. What a chance to get trained from Saroj. बहुत ही अच्छा मौका. आप बताइए how was it like उनसे डांस सीखकर कैसा लगा? How was it sharing the stage?
Oh my God, it has been my dream कि मैं सरोज जी से सीखूं. कभी मुझे मौका नहीं मिला उनकी कोरियोग्राफी के अंदर डांस सीखने का, बट आई थिंक श्रीदेवी मैम में और माधुरी मैम में जो आप एक्सप्रेशंस देखते हो वो टोटली सरोज जी हैं. और उन्होंने ही उनको पूरे अपने अदाओं के थ्रू वो सिखा के स्टार बनाया है. इट्स सो अनफॉर्चुनेट फॉर आवर जनरेशन दैट सरोज जी is not like choreographing now so much, and because of age limit and everything, but it was an honor for me to share the stage with her and to get this award, my award, National Sensation of the Year from Saroj ma'am. So yeah.
याद पिया की आने लगी was already playing part 2 का हम जानते ही हैं part 2 is coming. कुछ status कुछ बताना चाहेंगी कि मैं how is the process going on?
So part 2 याद पिया की आने लगी का जल्द ही आएगा और जल्द ही हम अनाउंसमेंट भी करेंगे कि कब आएगा. On screen, yeah. So मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज जल्द ही मेरी पिक्चर सत्यमेव जयते 2 रिलीज़ होने वाली है ऑन 2nd of October विद जॉन इब्राहिम. एंड आई एम सुपर थ्रिल्ड एंड आई फील रियली थैंकफुल टू द इंटायर ऑडियंस जिन्होंने मुझे इतना ज़्यादा प्यार और लव दिया है और इस गाने के साथ उन्होंने एक एक्सेप्टेंस मुझे मेरी तरफ दिखाई है. तो वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है हर आर्टिस्ट के लिए, क्योंकि मैं इतने इस बीच में डायरेक्शन कर रही थी और मैंने हार्डली स्क्रीन के सामने काम किया है. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी कि ऑडियंस आपको प्यार दे. सो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू द ऑडियंस फॉर दैट. और इस गाने ने मुझे ज़्यादा एक एम्पावरमेंट दी है, एक स्ट्रेंथ दी है टू फेस द स्क्रीन विद कॉन्फिडेंस. आई थिंक डेफिनेटली नॉट सेलिब्रेट होली बाहर, बिकॉज बाहर बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा झुंड में इट्स नॉट एडवाइजेबल कि हम जाएं. पर हाँ, हम घर पर ज़रूर सेलिब्रेट करेंगे और घर पर हम हमेशा सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट फेस्टिवल है होली फॉर अस इंडियंस, सो हम घर पे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. I think the one special thing about याद पिया की is the fact, यही फैक्ट है कि ऑडियंस ने जो मुझे मेरी तरफ एक्सेप्टेंस दिखाई और इतना ज़्यादा मुझे फैंस का और वेल विशर्स का जो प्यार मिला है, that is my most emotional thing and I can't thank everyone enough for it.
Let's do pictures now.
Left,
Jaya Mishra, the iconic Born of the Year Awards 2020 goes to Miss Jaya Mishra, a renowned fashion designer in the world of Bollywood and modeling. Wow, you love what you're wearing. It's very unique, very stylish. Big congratulations to your man. बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको। For Miss Jaya Mishra, here in iconic Born of the Year Awards 2020.
Hi. हाँ जी. Happy Women's Day to you too. Happy Women's Day to all the women out there.
This always goes with me. And I will remember whole life. Whatever you do in this, the more life.
You know, it's just another day for me because मैं believe करती हूँ कि women should celebrate women every day, and this is just another day where we are celebrating each other and we are felicitating each other and getting felicitated, getting recognized, getting appreciation. So you feel good. Women's Day है तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. You know, it's like icing on the cake. Yeah.
The most important garment for our Indian community is the beautiful sari. But how you drape a sari is itself an art. And this calls for the sari draping ceremony.
देखिए काम I'm an actor and काम से definitely we make fans, we have people who follow us on Instagram, on social media, everywhere. But जब काम से हट के आपके चाहे fitness हो, चाहे आपकी कोई भी activity हो, not just they follow it, especially my fitness videos or whatever I put on social media, a lot of them tell me that they get inspired. So that kind of really motivates me to work hard. My fashion, people really look up to it. कि आज मैंने क्या पहना है, आज मैंने क्या makeup किया है. So when they consider me an inspiration, I feel overwhelmed. Thank you. There's no change. To be very honest, there's no change. I think there should be no change. That only will help you grow in life. So there's no change in anything. I feel I've done what I could do. I did justice to my each and every project, and I got the appreciation, the due appreciation, and I would like to move forward and do better. So I have this digital film. It's a feature film going to come on Z5, and that's going to release next. Post that, there are other things. I will talk at the right time. I think डरना भी चाहिए और काफ़ी ज़्यादा आई फील कुछ लोग बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिकॉशंस ले रहे हैं, कुछ लोग बहुत ज़्यादा लाइटली अभी भी ले रहे हैं. एंड स्पेशली हियर इन इंडिया, होली बीइंग सच अ ह्यूज फेस्टिवल, सब चाहते हैं कि वो होली मनाएं. ठीक है, मे बी अपनी फैमिली के साथ आप मनाएं जहाँ यू आर सिक्योर्ड, यू नो दैट एवरीवन सेफ, they've been here, they've not been around, they've not traveled. Otherwise, I feel that you should stay indoors and not really celebrate with too many people who you don't know where they have been, because it's quite scary. And sanitized रहें, clean रहें, वो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Thank you. Women's Day है. I wanted to wear something you know, जो इंडियन भी हो और जिसमें फैशन भी हो, सब कुछ हो. So मैंने सब क्लब करने की कोशिश की है. I always like to dress up different, and since it was Women's Day, I really wanted to dress up Indian with a fusion in it, and it should at the same time look very stylish. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Absolutely lovely, and I'm sorry I made you wait for a little long, but my eyes are on you, and I knew that it would be the next one. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, can we all dance together for Mr. Ravi Sehgal? Our beautiful star, Sonali.
Thank you.
Show on television once a week. Consecutive 8.5 years. It's commendable. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please put our hands together? The iconic diva, Miss Hina Khan. You are the iconic woman of the year awards 2020. Can we please have a lovely rose? A lovely ladies. A lovely rose. Hello, girls. My girls backstage. Hello. That was a lovely rose.
Thank you, same to you. The only two women ruling here, all these men.
But besides that, it is indeed a very special occasion, a special day as well. How was it receiving an award for an inspirational or an inspiring iconic? How was it?
These are two of my favorite things. One is that being a woman and being fit. And today I get an award for Iconic Woman of the Year award for Fitness Diva, and I love that because I feel like it's like my hard work pays off when I'm recognized for it. So I'm really happy. Yeah. I think it's all this strong women that I'm surrounded by, especially my mother. And I read somewhere recently that daughters of strong mothers are also strong women. And I sincerely believe that because my mother is really strong and she's passed on all those values to me. And I genuinely feel, and I want to say to all the women out there that, we keep saying that men need to empower us or people need to empower us. I think we women are born empowered and we don't need anyone to empower us. My film, it's the Hindi film that I'm doing. Two films actually. One is a Punjabi film and one is a Hindi film. The Hindi film that I'm doing is called Bundi Raita. We've just launched the poster and the shooting is going to begin soon in April. March is almost ended. So I'm prepping for it now. The shoot is not started. The shoot is going to start now in April. We are prepping for it right now. And the script reading and all of that is happening. So April we start, and good luck to us. Yeah. I would like to. Amongst all the festivals, Holi is genuinely one of my most favorite festivals. If it's played with sanity and safely, like as long as you use organic colors and not waste water, I like it, and I like eating sweets and a lot of good food. So I think I'm gonna go out and celebrate it with my friends in a safe way. Yeah, maybe wear a mask and celebrate. Why not, right? Thank you. Happy Holi.